Welcome back to Next Ride Review. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham, a name that carries a rich legacy and now returns with a modern twist. Cadillac has reimagined its flagship luxury sedan, blending timeless design cues with cutting-edge technology and craftsmanship. Let's explore what makes this vehicle a standout in the luxury segment. The new Fleetwood Brougham is a masterpiece of elegance and sophistication. It pays homage to its heritage with a long, commanding body and signature vertical taillights, while embracing a modern aesthetic. The front fascia is dominated by Cadillac's signature grille, flanked by sleek, pixelated LED headlamps. The designers have skillfully balanced retro charm with futuristic appeal, creating a presence that's unmistakably Cadillac. Under the hood, the Fleetwood Brougham doesn't disappoint. Cadillac offers two powertrains, a silky smooth 4.2-liter twin-turbo V8 delivering 500 horsepower and an all-electric variant boasting a 300-mile range on a single charge. Both options are paired with rear-wheel drive or an optional advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring performance meets refinement. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels more like a first-class lounge than a car interior. Cadillac has spared no expense here. Hand-stitched leather, real wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents create a sense of opulence. The expansive 38-inch curved OLED display dominates the dashboard, integrating driver information and entertainment seamlessly. Ambient lighting adds a customizable touch, setting the mood for any journey. Passenger comfort is prioritized, with spacious seating for 5 and features like massaging front and rear seats, a crystal-clear AKG Studio reference sound system, and advanced climate control zones. Rear passengers enjoy reclining seats, touchscreen controls, and even optional privacy screens. On the road, the Fleetwood Brougham is a revelation. The magnetic ride control suspension system glides over bumps with grace, making long drives a pleasure. Cadillac's Super Cruise hands-free driving system is also included, offering enhanced functionality for highway cruising. Whether you prefer the quiet hum of the electric powertrain or the throaty roar of the V8, this sedan delivers an unparalleled driving experience. Safety is another strong point. The 2025 Fleetwood Brougham comes with Cadillac's most advanced suite of safety and driver assist features. From night vision and adaptive cruise control to enhanced automatic emergency braking and a 360-degree camera system, this car is designed to keep you and your passengers safe. The 2025 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham is more than just a car, it's a statement. It represents Cadillac's commitment to innovation, luxury, and timeless design. Whether you're drawn to its electrified future or the classic power of its V8, this sedan offers something for everyone who demands the best. Thanks for watching Next Ride Review. Let us know in the comments what you think of Cadillac's latest flagship. Is the 2025 Fleetwood Brougham the perfect blend of tradition and modernity? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the hottest cars on the market. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.